Looking for a natural way to give your hair the luscious treatment it deserves? The solution? Coconut oil. Used for centuries, coconut oil has been a powerful tool in hair care, and it's more popular now than ever. Let's discover together how applying coconut oil to your scalp can be a game changer for your hair, from nourishing and protecting it to promoting growth. A little background in history. Coconut oil has a rich history that dates back thousands of years. It is extracted from the meat of mature coconuts harvested from the coconut palm tree, which is native to tropical regions like Southeast Asia, the Pacific Islands, and parts of Africa. In these regions, people have used coconut oil for cooking, skin care, and hair care. The oil's benefits were well known long before it became a global sensation. In traditional Ayurvedic medicine, coconut oil is considered a healing substance used to treat various health conditions, including scalp issues. Islanders and ancient communities also used it to moisturize and protect their hair from the harsh sun and salty ocean water. Coconut oil is packed with fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants, all of which play a vital role in keeping your hair healthy. According to a study published by the International Journal of Trichology, coconut oil is one of the few oils that can deeply penetrate the hair shaft due to its low molecular weight. This makes it incredibly effective in nourishing the scalp and preventing hair damage. Over the years, its use has expanded globally, with many people incorporating coconut oil into their daily beauty routines to maintain healthy hair and skin. Now, coconut oil is cold-pressed, refined, or unrefined, depending on how it's processed. The type of oil you choose depends on your preference, but cold-pressed virgin coconut oil is often recommended for hair care due to its high nutrient content. Whether you're dealing with dryness, split ends, or scalp irritation, applying coconut oil can help resolve many common hair problems. But what is it about coconut oil that makes it so good for your scalp and hair? Benefits of coconut oil. Benefit number 1. Moisturizes and nourishes the scalp. Coconut oil is an excellent moisturizer for the scalp due to its high content of lauric acid. This fatty acid has strong antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, which help keep the scalp clean while also delivering deep hydration. According to research, a dry scalp is a leading cause of dandruff and itchiness, which can lead to more serious scalp conditions over time. Applying coconut oil to your scalp on a regular basis helps to lock in moisture, soothing dryness and irritation. For those suffering from dry scalp or dandruff, studies have shown that coconut oil can reduce symptoms by 40% when used consistently over a period of 2 weeks. By moisturizing your scalp, coconut oil ensures that your hair follicles stay healthy, setting the foundation for strong hair growth. Coconut oil not only moisturizes, but also nourishes the scalp with essential nutrients like vitamin E and K, both of which promote overall hair health. Benefit number 2. Prevents hair damage. Hair damage is something that nearly everyone experiences at some point, whether from heat styling, harsh chemicals, or environmental stressors like pollution. Coconut oil acts as a natural shield for your hair, helping to prevent protein loss, which is a leading cause of hair breakage. Studies from the Journal of Cosmetic Science show that coconut oil, when applied to the hair before washing, reduces protein loss by up to 65% compared to other oils like sunflower or mineral oil. This is due to its ability to bind to hair proteins, forming a protective layer around the hair shaft. By regularly applying coconut oil, you can protect your hair from damage caused by blow-drying, straightening, and even UV exposure. The oil also helps minimize the effects of harmful chemicals found in many shampoos and conditioners. Please take 2 seconds to help me out and hit the like and subscribe if you are enjoying the video so far. Each like and subscribe helps support this channel and keeps us motivated to keep making great content. Thank you. Now back to what I was saying. Benefit number 3. Promotes hair growth. Coconut oil is known for its ability to stimulate hair growth. When massaged into the scalp, it improves blood circulation, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles. This encourages healthier and faster hair growth. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, scalp massages increase blood flow to the scalp, which can enhance their growth by 4 to 6% when done regularly. Combining scalp massages with coconut oil boosts this effect, as the oil provides essential nutrients like vitamin E, which is known to support hair growth. Regular use of coconut oil not only thickens your hair, but also improves its overall texture, making it look shinier and healthier. So if you're dealing with thinning hair, incorporating coconut oil into your routine could be the solution you need to encourage hair growth. Benefit number 4. Fights dandruff and scalp infections. Dandruff is a common problem, but coconut oil can help fight it naturally. Thanks to its antifungal properties, coconut oil helps eliminate the fungi responsible for dandruff, such as Malassezia, which thrives on oily scalps. A study from the Journal of Clinical and Investigative Dermatology found that coconut oil was 80% effective at itching. If you're prone to scalp infections or other skin conditions like eczema, applying coconut oil can help keep these issues under control. The oil creates a barrier that protects the scalp from bacteria and fungi, helping you maintain a healthy scalp environment. A healthy scalp is the foundation for healthy and strong hair, and coconut oil ensures that your scalp stays in top condition. Benefit number 5. Reduces split ends and breakage. Coconut oil used on your scalp has the ability to reduce split ends and breakage. Split ends and breakage are some of the most common hair problems. Coconut oil can help by preventing protein loss, which leads to breakage. Unlike most oils that simply coat the hair, coconut oil penetrates deep into the hair shaft, repairing damage from within. Applying coconut oil to the ends of your hair helps to seal in moisture and smooth down the cuticle, which reduces the appearance of split ends. According to studies, regular use of coconut oil can reduce split ends by up to 20%, depending on the condition of your hair. This makes coconut oil a great option for those looking to grow their hair out while keeping it healthy and strong. Safety and precautions. While coconut oil is generally safe for most people to use, there are a few precautions to keep in mind. Overuse of coconut oil can sometimes cause a buildup on your scalp, leading to clogged pores or greasy hair. It's best to apply coconut oil in moderation and wash your hair thoroughly after each application. If you have sensitive skin, it's a good idea to do a patch test before applying coconut oil to your scalp. Finally, coconut oil is not suitable for every hair type. Those with fine or thin hair may find the oil too heavy, which could weigh down the hair and make it appear greasy. In these cases, it's best to use the oil sparingly. Focus on applying it to the ends of your hair or mix it with other oils, such as jojoba or argan oil. While rare, some people may have allergic reactions to coconut oil. If you notice any redness, irritation, or itching, discontinue use immediately and consult a dermatologist if necessary. Coconut oil is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a hair care powerhouse. From nourishing your scalp to reducing hair breakage, its benefits are hard to ignore. With its unique ability to moisturize, protect, and promote growth, coconut oil has rightfully earned its place as a must-have in hair routines around the world. Whether you're dealing with dandruff, thinning hair, or just want to boost your hair's health, coconut oil is a natural and effective solution worth trying. So, what are you waiting for? Are you going to continue using chemical-laden products that damage your hair? Or are you going to make the switch to something more natural that has been trusted for centuries? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.